Good morning to all. My topic is noun. This is a revision class. So let's start. Definition and all that. What is noun? So everything in the world has a name. Everything in the world has a name. All names or naming words are noun. We can say that any name is a noun. Okay. We can say the word that stands for name. For example, light, air, pen, dhampur, table, and so on. Definition: a noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Example: Ram, pen, dhampur. Example: Ram, pen, dhampur. Look at this sentence. Nikki and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Nikki and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Here, Nikki is the name of person. Dog is the name of an animal. Football is the name of a thing. And garden is the name of a place. So, a name can be common or special. The special name of a noun is called proper noun. So, Nikki is the special name for the girl. So, Nikki is a proper noun. Whereas dog, garden, football are common noun. The special name, that is the proper noun, always begin with capital letter. There are two types of noun: countable noun and uncountable noun. And countable nouns are proper noun, common noun, and collective noun. And uncountable nouns are material noun, abstract noun. Now it's time to learn about common noun. What is common noun? We can say that these nouns are general or non-specific. We now know that all nouns have a common noun, and also that some nouns have a specific name. Now this is the definition. Common nouns are names that refer to general person, place, thing, or animal. For example, clown, city, dog, and so on. He is a clown. He is a clown. Here, in this sentence, we are talking about clown. Clown is a general name for the person. Next, they live in a city. In this sentence, we are talking about city. City is the general name for the place. It is his dog. Now we are talking about dog. Dog is the general name for the animal. Now talking about some rules. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. We can say all the words in a proper noun begin with capital letter, but in common noun, not. Okay, now I'll send you a pic of some examples, so you can define and underline a common noun and circle the proper noun. Okay, it's time to learn about proper noun. Do you know what is proper noun? Think of proper noun as opposite of common noun. Can you define that? Yes. Proper noun. Proper noun is the name of some particular or specific person, place or thing. For example, Radha, Delhi, Taj Mahal, and so on. Okay, now we can say Radha is the name of particular girl. Delhi is the name of particular city. Taj Mahal is the name of particular historical place. Let's look at some example. To understand better, we can say that at some school, at SIS school, there are many teachers. Here, teachers are common noun. Next, at SIS school, there is a teacher named Mr. Peter. We can also say that SIS, here Mr. Peter is a proper noun. Mr. Peter is a proper noun. So circle it. Some more example. Car. Car is common noun. And Honda City. Honda City is proper noun. Batsman. Batsman is common noun. And Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is proper noun. Let's look at few examples of proper noun. The statement first. She failed to get a job. She failed to get a job at Google. She failed to get a job at Google. Here we can say Google is the name of a particular or specific company. Next statement, Albert Einstein was a physicist. So Albert Einstein is a specific name. Now we can say that you are able to identify common noun and proper noun both. So these are some examples. I'll send you the pic in the group. So till then, bye bye.